"11 days without sleep sounds impossible. What truly happens to your brain when pushed to such an extreme limit? Your brain is a high-performance battery. Fully charged, it powers everything. Lack of sleep drains it to failure. After 24-36 hours, concentration dips, reactions slow. Your battery's at 80%, functional but not peak. Past 48 hours, irritability spikes, memory falters, decisions fuzz. Battery drops to 60%, showing strain. By 72 hours, brain fog is dense. Tasks are hard, speech slurs, emotions erratic. Battery critically low, 40%. Now, danger. Microsleeps. Brain, desperate, forces brief, involuntary naps, seconds long. You're offline. Mid-task, your brain reboots. Those precious seconds mean you're unaware, a severe safety risk. Like a flickering battery conserving power, your brain struggles for stable connection. System failure. Past 5 days, reality blurs. Hallucinations begin, creating a distorted internal world. Brain-generating errors. Shadows move, whispers echo, strange sensations. Paranoia grows battling sensory chaos, a waking nightmare. Beyond exhaustion, your brain actively breaking down. Basic functions fail. Battery almost dead. Randy Gardner's record, 11 days, 25 minutes without sleep, 1964. Severe paranoia and hallucinations. His mind became glitchy, struggling with focus, speech. Like a dying, overloaded computer. Profound impairment. Randy recovered with extensive sleep, but extreme deprivation's long-term effects are serious, still researched. Your brain needs its charge, not limitless. Prioritize sleep, crucial for survival and well-being.